and welcome to Hobbs Farms Kitchen. Today we're going to be frying chicken livers, and I can't wait to show you how that's done. Okay, so I've got my Fry Daddy, or it's a Vela over here. If you have a Fry Daddy, you can use it, or a Vela, or the other option is just a skillet on the stove, or any other type of electric skillet that you might have. I filled it about halfway, and I've already got it preheating to 350 degrees. I've got my cup of flour here. I'm going to get my milk and egg ready, and also garlic powder is another good addition. It just gives it a little bit of kick, and salt and pepper. So we're going to go ahead and get our mixture mixed up. We're going to do about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder and a dash of salt and pepper. So, of course, you can omit the garlic or whatever if you are allergic or just don't like it. So earlier today I got my liver out of the freezer and let it defrost for about 2 or 3 hours here on the counter, and then once it got a little gooey on the edges, I put it in the refrigerator. So the middle of it is still a little bit frozen, but I'm not too worried about that. Just kind of, I've got about half the pack, which is a little over a pound pack, and putting it in here with the milk and the egg. And once this light goes off on the Fry Daddy, it will be ready to rock and roll. But I'm going to go ahead and get my flour going on it. So I've got about half of my liver prepared to put in my Fry Daddy, and I've got my basket ready, and the light just went off, so it's preheated, and we're ready to do this. So make sure it has a pretty good coating of flour on it. That's pretty important. So I'm just going to all put it in my basket here. And I'm going to fill the basket a little about halfway. I've got about half the pack in here right now. So I'm going to go ahead and set that in there all the way. And close that lid down, because frying can be very painful. So as you can see, while I'm waiting on these to finish, I've got my liver and flour waiting, and I'll go ahead and let you peek in. Only you can smell it. Okay, so I just took them out of the oil, and they're draining there for a couple minutes. We're about to get ready to start the next ones. So we're finished with the chicken livers. It took about 30 minutes or so to get a pound cooked in my small fryer, and I've tasted them and they are delectable. Key points to remember when you're cooking liver: that it can stick to the bottom of your fry pan, so prepare it to soak for a little while. It needs to cook at 350 in a deep fryer for about 10 to 15 minutes. It took mine 10 minutes, so not too bad. And some good sides would be green beans or anything like that.
Song of the South.